Okay, so now what we're going to do is now we're going to solve the problems that deal with percentage. So there's going to be three formulas we're going to use to do this. Whenever we're looking for a portion or the part, we're going to take the rate times the base, or the percent times the whole. Okay, and then if we're ever searching for the base or the whole number, what we're going to do is take the portion or the part divided by the rate, or the part divided by the percent. Then if we're seeking for the rate or the percentage, what we're going to do is take the portion or part divided by the base or the whole number. So we have the percent in order to get that. So we're going to take the part divided by the whole. All right, so let's test this out on some problems. For example, we have 20% of 75 is what number? So this problem automatically, let's see what information we have. We have our rate of 75, so that's your whole or the base. We have the base. So then that means we're looking for the portion. So which formula will we use? If we're looking for a portion, rate times base. So then we'll take 75 times 20%, or 75 times 0.20. You convert it to a decimal, make it a little easier. So if you think about it, 2 times 75, that right there, 2 times 75, we can multiply that out. 75 times 2, so we know that's 10, carry the 1, 14, 15, 150, but this is 0.20. So because it's 20, we add that 0. So that means we're moving 2 places to the left. 1, 2. So it's 15. So then that means that P equals 15. Our portion is 15. So now, what percent of 50 is 30? What percent of 50 is 30? Now, what you do is, what are we looking for? Oh, we're looking for the percent. So that means we're trying to find rate of 50. That right there is our base. That's the whole. And then is 30. That's our portion. So we're looking for the rate this time. So that means we're taking the portion and we're dividing it by our base. So now that means I'm taking my 30 and I'm dividing by my 50. Now, for those of you that have seen this before, there's a zero trick. So when you have a 0 on top and the bottom, you could cancel out. So then you're left with 3/5. So now that means that our rate is 3/5. Our rate is the same as 3/5. Or, because we're looking for, remember, it's a percent. So I'm going to turn this into a percent, make it something over 100. 5 goes into 120 times. 3 times 20 is 60. So we know automatically every percent is out of 100. So then our rate equals 60%. There we go. So now 8 is 10% of what number? So we're going to try this out. 8 is 10% out of what number? 8 looks like it's our portion because it's a piece of a number. So that's our portion. We have our rate. And we're looking for the base. So whenever we're looking for base, we'll use the portion divided by the rate. Okay? So we have 8 divided by 10%, or 8 divided by 0.10. Turned it into a decimal, make it a little easier. Now, because this is the decimal, I'm going to move 2 times to the right to make it a whole number. And whatever I do here, I have to do over here. So 1, 2, add 2 zeros. Okay? So 10 goes into 80. How many times? 8. That's 80. 0. Bring down the 0. 10 goes into 0, 0 times. So then right here, the portion, or our base, is 80 from what we found. And that's how you try to solve these problems, and you use the formulas to solve them.